That is a big bull, Donnie. You want me to stand there?
Move. Move.
We're trying to load up a
Hey,
couple
Ron,
of...
shut that gate. Shut that head gate.
We're trying to load up a couple bulls here.
Got him.
No, Donnie, no.
Got him.
There's no way in hell you got the 2 bulls that you needed to get
There they are.
while I was messing around on my phone.
There they are.
Well, I wanted this to be at least a 10-minute video, and then... But the fun part is just beginning.
Yeah.
So he has segregated the bulls by putting 2 of them in the pen here, and those are the 2 that he wants to get. So I can come out of here and go over there and stand there, right?
Yep.
All right.
I'm gonna go get the trailer.
Y'all get back. Get on back. Get on back. That big one there's...
Come on, back up.
That's a healthy
back
one
your
there.
ass up. Back on up. Back up. Now, he told you go on, damn it.
That big one's healthy, but people, that's a healthy one there.
Give me a stick. Now, who wants it? You want it? You want it? Or do you want it? Yep.
He's not actually hitting them. He's just
I'm telling
threatening
you.
them.
Go on.
He loves his cows. He can't bring himself to hurt them.
You don't want to face off with me, I'm telling you. You don't want to.
The whole thing is when we come up here, they think you're feeding them, so they all come and watch. Donnie, those 2 little calves you got, boy, those are beautiful. When were those born?
They was this year. This year. I'd like to get that little one there if we can get him, but I don't think we're going to be able to get him. He's another little bull calf.
Maybe that one.
That one right there. But I think I'm going to feed the rest of these out here.
All right, food time, y'all. Y'all ready for the food?
Just make sure them 2 don't get out behind you.
Yeah. So we got this rickety little fence here that we got to keep them from doing their thing. What's wrong? They don't really understand English. I've never been able to talk to them very well. They like getting food though. Let's see, that one knows. She's hungry. She's running over there. Look, the bull's like, hey, baby.
Come on, y'all. Come on.
Look, he's the cow whisperer. See how he whistled and they just ran on?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Y'all being stupid. You better get up here and eat.
Yeah, you can have some too. Go on.
I'll be back in a minute, Ron.
Alrighty. All right, he's gonna go get the trailer. We're trying to load 2 bulls into the trailer. These two little babies here. Yeah, you heard me. You heard what I'm gonna do. Donnie's got his straight back. You got that door that opens, so that's probably good, man. Our problem is this gate's not wide enough to do what we're trying to do here. I think we had to put another gate with it. Okay. Whoa, whoa. That's pretty good, Donnie. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this while filming, but we'll see. All right, so hand me the gate. I'll hold it, and you open the gate, go in, and see if you can get them to come in.
This one open. Get that ready.
The tricky part's getting them to go up in the trailer, but the thing is, these ones are kind of young, so they don't really know not to go in the trailer. The older ones get a little wise where they
Heads up. Back up.
I don't think he can go that way.
Back up.
I was pulling a Donnie, and putting my finger in the way.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Yep. Over there.
Didn't we have a pole or something we put there before?
Got a fence panel we put over there.
I think we got it, man. 'Cause, like, if you look, just the
I think when you open that gate, you're gonna have a 3-foot gap here.
man, it's pretty good. I can stand in it, but I don't know.
Like when this gate opens.
No, we're good. If they don't knock me over, I think we might be able to make this work. I'm just gonna bury this in the ground here. I don't think they can get out here. I mean, if they do try to go out, people, I'm getting the hell out of the way. I'm not gonna let a cow run me over, but these are little baby cows.
Behind it.
Yeah, behind it, then they can't really, well, it's not quite long enough.
Something like that.
That'll help.
If they don't hit it, knock it into you.
I think we're gonna be all right. Don't run them.
Come on. Let's go.
I forgot about that. He could run right through that. Hey,
Come on.
hey, get on, get on. This is the worst one to have behind you. That's a mean, he's not mean, but it's just that's a very powerful bull. You don't want something like that behind you when you're doing stuff like
Come on.
this.
Back up. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, come here.
Don't holler, right? You'll go right in there. You want to not be seen there. Basically what we're doing. Oh, turn around. Turn around. You good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ain't gonna work. He's scared of you.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to get this to hold itself or something. We're gonna have to get you a solution here, Donnie, that's permanent.
Well, stand there and hold that gate for a minute. This gate. Don't let them get by you.
We need to get you like some posts up here where we can just have this where they don't have any other way to go. What you're supposed to do is have them go through that gate there, but then they have to step up onto the trailer. It's too much for them. And if they step down, then they really have to step up, and it's just real traumatic. We don't like doing that. So we're trying to make it where they can just walk right in, and it's no big deal. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stand up here in this corner so that they don't try to. Basically, this fence here, they can just go right through. I can hold this in too, Donnie. I don't think they can knock that over
I don't
easily.
think they'll try to go through that little hole there.
Yeah. So basically, you just want to get behind them and get them to try to walk away from you and walk right into the trailer.
And this trailer's got 2 doors.
Yeah. So you can shut one door, and then one of
This
them's.
door here shut, and then they're locked in there.
You just had to be smart when you do it that you don't have a bunch of cows behind you. They don't intend to hurt you, but they're so powerful. I mean, there's a lot of weight. One of them starts running.
Okay, come on. Come on. Yep. Let's go. Go. Go.
These are 2 little bulls. That big bull These are kind of, you know, his competition.
Yep. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Go. I'm glad you didn't get my testicles. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. One down.
One down. One to go. Look at them. They're all over here watching. See, I honestly think the older
I know you're a little older, but go on.
the older cows know what's going
Go
on.
on. Woo, big boy.
Everybody's safe. Got them both loaded up. Not too big of a deal. Didn't have to do anything crazy. Basically, you just kind of try to herd them into the thing, wave your arms around, wave the strap around where they don't want to be around you, and get them to walk into the thing. It takes about 10-15 minutes. You got to be patient. Sometimes if they're older, they're smarter, and it takes a while. They don't want to go in that trailer.
The last one, it took, what, 3 hours?
Yeah, we was out here messing with one for like 3 hours. It was an old one that was very smart and just did not want to do that.
Now, the trick is, if I can get out with that truck.
These two are going to the vet. They're too small to butcher or anything, so they're coming back, but nobody knows that. It's kind of interesting, Donnie, how they all don't really want them to leave.
Nope.
You kind of get the vibe from them that the cows know kind of what's going on, the older ones, and they don't really like it.
Now we're going to feed them all in the pen again. Is that gate all the way open on it?
It's open enough. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, they're not, you know, they're cows. They're docile. They're not violent or anything. But that big bull up there is the one you really got to watch. That's a very powerful animal. This one here ain't no joke either. This cow, look how big this cow is.
Hey, here we go. They all run right in there. Boots back here in the back. No, come on, Boots.
He calls this one Boots for obvious reasons.
There y'all go. Come on. Come on, girl.
I'm glad we got that done before it got dark.
They're like, hell no, we ain't going to that pen.
I think they know. They know. It proved it, that last one. That last one was an old one, and it knew. It took 3 hours to get it to step up on the trailer like those two did.
I'm going to go down here and turn around.
But these two are so young, they don't really know the game yet, you know. That big bull over there, when the time comes to load that one up, that's going to be a fun one. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're all right. Go ahead.
Okay, y'all, the 2 bulls are down there. They're coming to see the vet. They're coming in here. And they're getting their vaccines, getting a wellness exam. So we'll see how well they are. But they're way down there. This is the sale. But they ain't got no stickers on them, so they ain't getting sold. They're going back with me this evening. We're back here with the bulls. He gets a little upset when you bring in something new. He gets a little mad. He'll figure out here that it's his sons still in here. There you go. Y'all can see that we're going to leave them. Put them right back out here. There's one of them, and there's the other one. They've had a wellness exam. Come on, watch out. There they're back. That's their offspring. So he gets a little ill sometimes, but he'll be all right. He knows them. If you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up for filming it, and we'll catch you on the next one.